So the biceps femoris has two parts. Who knows the two parts?
Cranial and caudal?
Good, yeah, cranial and caudal. So caudal is this one. So this is the caudal portion of the biceps femoris. So the femoris has to do with the femur. So biceps femoris, the muscle that attaches to the femur. And this is the caudal part of that. The cranial part is here. So here's the cranial part, here's the caudal part. And you can see it over here too. The caudal part is on the leg, so kind of the thigh area. The cranial part attaches to the dorsal midline right about here. So one more time, biceps femoris cranial, biceps femoris caudal. Okay, then we have the gluteus medius and the gluteus maximus. So the gluteus medius is the one that's further forward. So that's going to be right in this area here. And then we have the gluteus maximus, which is right behind it. So this is the gluteus maximus. So we have gluteus maximus, gluteus medius. And then we have tensor fascia latae. I always tell my students a good way to remember it is it sounds like a latte that you get at Starbucks. So this is the tensor fascia latae. It's a very, very thin superficial muscle here at the top of the thigh. So tensor fascia latae. It sits on top of the vastus. The vastus lateralis basically sits right underneath it. So if you lift it up, this very big, thick muscle that you see underneath is the vastus lateralis.
Is it on the side?
Yeah, so here, this is the tensor fascia latae on top. This is the vastus lateralis. So it's underneath, and the tensor fascia latae is a very thin muscle. So if you just pull that away,